Hey guys, I'm Josh Probst here at PAX 2014. I'm the lead industrial designer for our Alienware Area 51 system. Really excited to be here and show this product. It's been a long time coming. So wanted to kind of go over some of the industrial design features. I've been hearing a lot of questions, why triangle? So just let's go through some of that. If you think about where our company has been, the previous chassis from Alienware, we've always been very iconic. Think back to Predator chassis, green, big gills. So we started off, we wanted to be iconic like we always are. It's a big challenge. But we wanted to do it in a different way. You know, got a couple designers in a room and thinking about what does an epic design Alienware desktop look like. And you have a nice brainstorm session, and we started thinking, you know, what if it was a triangle? And as that started to sort of seep in, you know, we started really resonating with it. Yeah, what if it was a triangle? And we started thinking about all the benefits that a triangle could have. There's a lot of challenges to make a triangle, so we've had to make sure that there's a lot of good benefits. So back to that functional aesthetic. If you think about a rectangular chassis, when you slam it up against the wall, you're going to have your thermals exiting right at the wall. You're going to have some recirculation problems. You might be choking that thermal fan. So with the triangle chassis, you end up with this very large, clean air exit. You got sort of breathing room, if you will. While I'm back here in the back, as well, when you need to plug something in, you need to plug in a USB, you need to plug in a new mouse. With this angle, the ports are really presenting themselves to you. You don't have to move your case away from the wall anymore. You can just get back there, you can see, and you can plug it in. And it's the same story on the front. On the front, the ports are presenting themselves to you. It's not a guessing game when you're plugging something in. It's very natural. It's almost like a console on a sports car. So back to the functional aesthetic. Let's say you need to move the system. We've got these 3 extremely rugged handles on all 3 corners of the system. These handles can support 5 to 6 times the weight of the chassis before they really start to stress. If you need to carry the system, it's very simple to simply lean the system forward. You have a back grip, you have the top grip, and you can carry it. So another point on functional aesthetic is you want to have a system that can wear in, not wear out. You want to have a system that you can live with for a very long time. And a fun little detail here, since this is a symmetrical chassis, the left door and the right door are the same. When you remove these doors, it's very easy. It's one of my favorite things to do, actually. We have very good latches that are keeping these doors in, and a very good mechanism when you release. So we've got 2 handles that are quite easy to get to. Simply pull those up and the doors are removed. When you want to take a door off, it's toolless. There's no cables. We've got a contact for our alien effects, and again, they're symmetrical. So another great benefit of the triangle, if you look at this geometry, you can see the longest line, the longest passage is right across these graphics cards, right? So you've got a very long passage of air. You've got a nice spot for that air to really start moving, so it can cool all these cards and go right across. I believe we've touched on it already, but you know, we added a slot so that when you have 3 graphics cards in this system, you don't have the last 2 shoved up against each other. You now have equal spacing between. And again, so that air can just go across all 3 cards equally. So guys, thanks a lot for letting me show you some of the industrial design attributes of Area 51. Really exciting time for us at Alienware, and enjoy the rest of PAX.